I think he just got you in the leg, buddy. I thought I heard a thwap on cloth. So we got that. We got this. We got a half hour left. It's actually a good time to get killed because I had to take a flag count anyway.
Do you have to like walk around them, or can you see them all from the spot?
Hey, any of our guys at N15, do we still have that flag at the cone forward of that position?
Yeah.
Good copy. I know you guys have all 3 years.
Yeah, we have our 3.
So that's, you have nothing here, so that's 0 points for you guys. 3 for us, because we got the 3 middle ones. So we got 1 flag count left. Currently it is 12 to 14, 12 to 22.
That's not bad.
You guys had a really nice rally there, and at one point you had 7 of the 9 flags.
Yeah, there was that one rush we had.
Yep, and it was really great, but you did it like right in between a flag count.
Yeah.
So by the time 20 minutes expired, we had taken the 3 money ones back, and so it ended up just being like a couple points for each side.
That's your guy.
That's our guy up there.
The N10 dude not dead?
I know. I don't know.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. You gotta be expecting that shit.
Nice. On video, too.
Todd, this is Will. This is Adrian. What do you got for game time left right now?
We got about 23 minutes left. Final flag counts at 3 o'clock.
Copy that.
War Child at the tan van approaching the ridge.
Anybody got any eyes on contacts? Over.
We just lost a couple guys on the north side of the ridge, so there's got to be a few guys embedded in there. Tango by the orange flag. War Child is all the way at the end of the railroad path, getting ready to turn in toward their middle base and come around behind them. War Child now at the middle base, getting ready to attack from behind. Sorry, guys.
That's okay. Fucking dude, and I watched him like that, and then he shot me.
Here. Change that. I'll change this. I'll regroup with you right here. War Child and Sinner at the middle base in their territory. I just killed 4 people. I'm changing the flag north of the ridge. Sinner's changing the flag at the center base. If you guys can push that Echo 1 bunker, now's the time. Sinner. Two on the road. I think I just got Charlie. One still in. Jimmy's still there. What? Anybody on the road, push up now to the Echo 1 bunker. Billy, are you fucking serious? War Child is retaking the center base. Need help up here, guys. One bogey on the road behind the yellow pickup truck across from the Echo 1 bunker. Get up in that middle base. Jimmy's behind the yellow pickup truck. Lay some fire on that yellow pickup truck. Give me a guy up behind the Schmitz van. 7 minutes left, guys. I want these last 3 flags. Shadow, if you can push forward and grab that one on that truck, do it. One down at the yellow truck. Jimmy's still behind the yellow truck. Hey, just fall back a little bit. Get into that center base right near the flag. You can use that bunker to shoot perfectly at that yellow truck. Kevy! Give me some fire on that yellow truck. I want that flag on the road. We got 7 minutes left. I want every flag orange. We have every flag currently except the Echo 1 bunker, guys. Come on, do it. We got 5 minutes left. Good copy. Stay right there and hold that thing at all costs. I'm moving into your position at the middle bunker. Make sure you kind of keep eyes toward the right, toward the railroad tracks. Make sure in the last couple minutes somebody doesn't try to sneak around behind us. Hold that corner. We only got 5 minutes left. Make sure nobody flanks. Let's go, guys. All out press. Hit that fucking Echo 1 bunker.
We got it, Todd.
Good copy. Hold it. Hold it. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Let's hold every point on the field for the last flag count. 4 minutes left in the game. Ed! I tripped over your fucking door. 20 seconds left. Game over! Ceasefire, game over.